Welcome to Module 6 of the Outlier content system. Authority is manufactured, not earned. Authority isn't something you wait for. It's something you construct, piece by piece, using specific psychological products. Most creators try to earn respect by showing credentials, but real authority comes from showing clarity and a consistent system. Today, we reveal the blueprint to transition from being an unknown creator to becoming the unmistakable authority in your niche. Authority stands on three essential pillars: proof, pattern, and point of view. Proof is the evidence your ideas work. This includes social proof from client results, expert proof from features, and pattern proof showing consistent system results. Pattern is intellectual consistency. Your content must reveal a predictable, consistent lens through which you view every problem. This builds trust. Point of view, or POV, is your unmistakable, outcome-tied stance. It tells the world exactly who you are for and who you are not for. We move now to the story structure that binds these pillars into an unshakable authority narrative. When people can predict how you think, they trust what you say. Authority is about clarity and predictable thinking, not a long list of credentials. The master key is the 4-act authority narrative, a strategic story structure you must memorize and tell everywhere. Start with the common lie, the relatable, flawed belief you and your audience once shared, like hustling for the sake of it. This is the moment the old world broke, a specific, painful failure that came from adhering to the common lie. This proves the old way doesn't work. Act 3 is the new POV, the moment your unique solution, your authoritative point of view, was born from the ashes of that failure. Finally, Act 4, the proof. Show the success of the new way, the results your clients get. This promises the same outcome for the viewer. Authority is not a gift, it is a construct. Orchestrate every piece of your content to reinforce this manufactured authority. When you build your authority through proof, pattern, and point of view, people stop comparing you to others. You become the only logical solution. If you want to stop being another option and start commanding attention, hit subscribe for Module 7.